Hi and welcome to this SugarCRM tutorial from enable.services. SugarCRM is capable of creating web forms easily, meaning you can generate simple data capture forms such as contact us pages with minimal fuss. It means less time worrying about creating forms from scratch and more time back to you. To set up this form, you first need to have a campaign set up in your system. If you have one ready, you can skip this next step. Head to the campaign tab at the navigation bar on the top and click on the downward arrow. Here we will use the Create Campaign Classic option, though the wizard will also work here. On this page, fill out the form with the relevant and required details about your marketing campaign, and once done, click Save. Now to create the lead form, head back to the campaign tab at the top, and this time click on Create Lead Form. For this lead form wizard, simply drag and drop the inputs from the available fields that you would like to be captured into the first column, and they will appear as entries on your form linked to an existing field in your Sugar system. Once you've finished, click on Next, where you will need to input any further fields necessary, such as the redirect URL for where the recipient is taken after completing the form, and choose a related campaign, such as the one created earlier, and then finally, Generate Form. Sugar will then generate this form for you. The completed form preview will look basic, and the full form itself in a browser will look fairly plain, but it has all the required fields needed to capture your leads. Your IT team can typically clean this up with HTML access. Using the Save Web to Lead Form button at the top, click the link to download your Web to Lead form, and then send the file to them that you've downloaded. They can then host a new form for you with any styling included. If this tutorial helped you with creating a form, please leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel. And for more on getting the most out of SugarCRM, check out our website at enable.services.